Well, ladies and gentlemen, how's it going? It is me, System Sensor 250, and guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So guys, today's video, we're going to be doing another smoke alarm test video. So today, we're going to be doing a smoke alarm test number 27. We're just about three more tests left, and then we'll be done. We're going to reach to 30. So I hope everybody did have an amazing day. Now, guys, before we get started, make sure you guys don't forget to smash the subscribe, like, and don't forget to smash the bell button. If you do guys have any questions, you know what to do. Just chat me in the comments or chat me on Discord, AskWhat2, aka my Discord server. Anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoy. Let's go ahead and get started the smoke alarm test video. Let's get started with the smoke alarm test number 27. So we have is the first alert, CO400, carbon monoxide alarm. If you can see that. Or whatever. It's carbon monoxide alarm. It's a CO400 carbon monoxide alarm. So, as soon as Kim decides to focus, there we go. So, anyways, let's get started the testing. Here we go. Let's do one more. Two more. And I'll do one more in the closet. Amazing experience. So, let's wrap. What do you guys think of the smoke alarm test video so far? Let me know in the comments. Anyways, guys, that's going to be the end. I hope you guys enjoy, and thank you so much for watching. Now, guys, before we end, make sure you guys don't forget to smash the subscribe, like, and don't forget to smash the bell button. If you do guys have any questions, so you know the deal. Just chat me in the comments. Or you can actually chat me on Discord, AskWhat2. And make sure you guys join my Discord server, AskWhat2. So you can chat me along for some video updates. Also, guys, make sure you guys don't forget to check out my latest video through my homepage, AskWhat2. Make sure you guys don't forget to check out my second, third, and fourth YouTube channel. Smash the subscribe on those channels, and I'd super appreciate it. Anyways, guys, not further ado, I hope everybody did have an amazing day. And guys, it is actually starting to get dusk. Beautiful sunset. Leaves is already falling off. It's on the ground because it's November. Anyways, hope everybody did have an amazing day, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.